Good night, everyone. Today I will present a comprehensive my final project defensive with titles like gradient boosting machine, credit risks with like gradient boosting. Uh, we will go through each part of the code step by step and this and the output for each session. Firstly, before we start, we we installing necessary libraries. There are three libraries we have to install. The firstly, feature tools, the second, scikit-learn, and the third, Bayesian optimization. Next, we import various libraries required for data manipulation, model evaluation, feature engineering, imputation, scaling, and Bayesian optimization. Next, we load our dataset using Pandas and inspect its shape and basic information to to understand its structure and data types. uh, Next, we checking initial columns. In here, we inspect different section of the dataset to get an idea of the first few rows of various columns. Next, we going to checking for missing values. Sorry, we Nah, in here, we didn't check for missing values in the dataset. The first command is give us a summary while the loop prints the number of new values in each column. Okay. Next, we identifying columns with high null values. In here, we identify columns with more than higher 60% null values, as this might need to be dropped. Next, we identifying columns with moderate null values. In here, we identify columns with less than 60%, but more than 0% null values, which will be input later. Next, we're going to checking for duplicate rows. In here, we check for and count any duplicate rows in the dataset. Next, we dropping columns with high null values. In here, we drop columns with more than 60% null values and update our data frame. Next, we're going to dropping irrelevant columns. In here, we further drop columns that are irrelevant for our analysis and modeling. Next, we inputting missing values using KNN imputer, sorry. We use KNN imputer to impute values in to missing value in numerical columns. First, we will values with column means and then apply KNN imputation for a more refined approach. Next, we're going to handling categorical missing values. We handle missing values in categorical columns by filling them with appropriate values like the mode or a placeholder. Next, we defining the target variable. In here, we create our target variable loan status to identify good loans is 0 and bad loan is 1 based on the provided condition. Next, we encoding categorical columns. Categorical columns encoding. Okay, this is the code. In here, we encode at categorical columns to numerical values using label encoder, ordinal encoder, and one-hot encoding as necessary. Next, we go to feature engineering using feature tools. Sorry. We going to find the code. Okay. In here, we use feature tools to perform feature engineering, creating new features based on aggregation and transformation. And then we're going to feature selection and preparing data for modeling. Next, we're going to split the data into training and testing tests. The split data into training testing sets with a ratio 80 and 20. Next, we creating like GBM dataset from the training data. This prepares the training data for the like GBM model. Next, we're going to define the evaluation function for Bayesian optimization. This function evaluates the model using cross-validation and returns the minimum block loss. Next, we're going to initialize Bayesian optimization. This set up the Bayesian optimization process with the specified parameter range. Next, we're going to perform the optimization. Sorry. This run the optimization for the specified number of iteration, and then we going to extract the best parameters from Bayesian optimization. The retrieve the best parameters found during optimization, and we train. And next, we train the final GBM model with the best parameters. This trains the final GBM model using the best parameters obtained from Bayesian optimization, and then we make a prediction on the test and train data, and we're going to generate the confusion matrix and this classification report for the best data. Okay, that's all my presentation. If I mistake in conversation, I'm so sorry and thank you.